Hey everybody, Mike here. So recently I bought 5 of these little automatic waters that are made by Little Giant for a project I've got going on a chicken tractor out in my pasture. I was wanting to take the water drinkers I've got out there currently and automate them so I don't have to tote water out there every single day, twice a day. So here's what you get in the little package. It comes in 2 pieces just like this. The main piece here is your valve, and it's all fully pre-assembled. When you pop that little piece off there, you've got a Schrader valve on the inside, you've got a lock nut, and then a control nut that runs on this spring, and that's how it knows how much water you want to put in the bowl and what level you set that at. You can either run that control nut up or down based on the desired water level that you want in your bowl. And then that just locks back in place like so. You'll hook this to a 1/2 inch NPT pipe thread, so you will need an adapter to be able to adapt this to a 3/4 inch garden hose if that's what you're trying to do. So keep that in mind. You'll need 1 extra piece if you buy this. And then this piece here just basically threads down right inside the inside of your bowl and basically until it bottoms out. So you just run that down like this and then kind of snug that in place. And that bowl's ready to go now. So now you just got to decide where you want to put this thing at. And basically what's going to happen is when this thing doesn't have a lot of water in it, it's going to come up and push on that Schrader valve. And then as water starts to fill it back up, it gets a little heavier, and it moves that bowl away from the Schrader valve and shuts the water off until you're ready for the water to come back in again. It's an extremely simple design. I will say getting the water level dialed in was a little bit frustrating at first, but after I'd done the first couple, the next couple actually went pretty smooth. This is a great way to automate your water and get from having to tote the water out there every day or constantly refill jugs. And the nice thing is if you put this on a flexible line like a garden hose, you can kind of just turn this upside down, swish some water around the inside of it, and keep it clean. And you don't have to worry about scrubbing this thing out daily. And then if you do need to come in and actually scrub it and disinfect it, you just pop that off like that. You can take your bowl in, disinfect and wash that thing out, bring it back out here, lock that back in place, and you're back good to go again. Hopefully that was somewhat helpful to you. I think this is going to be a great addition to how I raise my chickens and keep water supplied to them. And it should cut down drastically the amount of labor that it takes me daily to be able to take care of my daily chores. Hopefully that's somewhat helpful to you. I appreciate you watching. We'll catch you guys on the next one.